setup. And what does that mean in regard to people ask me, what about the warranty, right? Well,
it's still a nice truck. I mean,
beautiful.
This is an 06. I mean,
College Mamba has her new convertible top. Get our final cold start ever before the tune. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and good spirits. Well, today is going to be the last drive in Hulk stock. That's right. We just got our tuner device from Palm Beach Dyno. We just loaded up the end gauge into the dash and we sent in the stock file to Rob, so we'll start working on it. But this is going to be the last official drive stock. We got some errands to do today. Let's talk about all that's going on before we do the cams, we do the tune. We got a lot of stuff planned. I'm super excited. Thank you and goodbye to Hulk for the last 6 months. Bone stock did very well. Ran a best ever of 10.5 at 135 with the passenger seat out. People were saying don't, you know, tune it, or don't change anything. I think we maximized a lot of this stuff already that we could do stock. I mean, I know people wanted me to go to the racetrack, and I understand that, but I'm not really a racetrack guy. It doesn't do anything for me. I know a lot of people like it, not knocking you. That's your jam. God bless you, but I'd like to go to the racetrack. I mean, to the drag strip and do some rolls as well. So that's why I like. We cleaned up the garage a little bit. It was getting a little dirty, but do I have enough wheels? Holy cow! Those are the 305 Forge wheels and the BC Forge wheels for the Mamba and the Hulk. Mamba's at Casper's. We're gonna go there today. We got some things to do. Watching this, I don't know when. If you're watching it, happy 4th. Again, free shipping, July 4th. This is our little merchandise. Go to StangMode.com. We got the hats, we got the shirts, we got the light box, official license from Ford. We got the Save the Manual keychains because of that right out there. Boom! Let's get our final cold start ever before the tune in Hulk. Hulk smashed, but like we like to joke, it's time for more gamma radiation. Let's get a cold start. We gotta go head over to Casper's, then we gotta head over to check on the College Mamba because we got a new convertible top. That's right, that car needs some love, some TLC, finally getting around to it. Can you imagine that with some cams? Woo. Alright, so as you can see, the end gauge is here. Again, we're not tuned yet. Like I said, I took off the piece here, put this in there, and you can see there's no tune in there. So I just sent the stock file over to Rob, and we'll start that process, so stay tuned for that. So for now, you know, this is what we're doing. For now, let's do a drive together. This is the final stock drive. Let me turn the things down. This is a great car, but again, one of the reasons, if you watch this channel, all we do is modify. I love to modify because I make it my own. Let's talk about the plan with Hulk and what's going on, and we're camming it and tuning it and what happened with the plan. Crazy how this all works, right? Just 3 months ago, we had this car on eBay because we got laid off. I had no idea what was going on, and now we're here about to put cams and tuning it and gonna go crazy with it. But that's a testament to all of you who decided to stick with the channel, watch the channel, support it, subscribe to it, and give us a chance. So we were able to you know, bring content, do well with the merchandise and the giveaway, and now we're here. So let's keep moving forward. Let's not stop. People ask me, what about the warranty, right? Well, obviously when we're doing engine work, we're probably gonna avoid the warranty that let's do it in the. We're probably gonna avoid the warranty that Ford put on here, but the point is, doing that, the partners we have with L&M engines and whatnot, they're gonna back up the work. What I mean by that is working with companies like L&M Engines and Palm Beach Dyno and things of that nature as we go forward, we're going to get a real chance to showcase to you the best in the business as far as aftermarket's concerned. So by doing that, you know, I feel like we've partnered with the right people to do that. All right. This car is a great car out of the box. I'm not saying that at all. Look at that. It's pretty effortless of a car, and I love it. And I'm not saying that it's not. I wouldn't be doing this unless I felt like I wanted to keep this car long term and make it my own and push the envelope and see what we can do, because this car is going to give Mamba a run for its money when it's all said and done, which is pretty exciting. It's going to be pretty fast. It's a great car, but it's Hulk, right? And Hulk has to smash. And we did great stuff, man. We got to race a Red Eye. We got to race Z06s, the C8. We raced the Mamba. We raced enough cars where I felt content with what we were able to do stock. Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like. Well, anyways, let me keep having some fun here, and then I'm gonna meet you guys at oh man, this is a good enough racetrack for me. Roundabouts are all over Jersey, so I got these little silly turnarounds. Oh, that pops. Those pops. Let me not be so selfish with this. Oh, did you hear that? That was good. All right, we'll see you at Casper's. Oh, the fence is up. Look at this trailer Todd got, by the way. You saw me looking at trucks yesterday. I think that F350 wouldn't be too bad. Jeez. Guys, if you guys haven't been following, again, just to remind you, this is a whole new venture Todd's doing here, which is awesome. And we're along for the ride too. Whole blacktop, burnout pad, everything you call it. They cut the trees down. This whole area is theirs. So this is the fenced area where people will be able to go there, do a burnout. There'll be a Christmas tree. They can test their 60. Be like to the left or to the...
It's up just like a track.
Got it.
We'll measure it out where the staging lane would be, and then we'll measure the tree out. So
oh, wow.
Obviously put the tree on the right side.
Yep.
So it's so if you like the left lane, it's going to feel good. If you like
Yeah,
the right
yeah.
lane,
Well, you know, most guys are right lane guys, yeah. So they'll get them even better. So they can...
The track you're at.
Yeah, that's true.
I prefer the right lane, but...
I'm a right lane guy.
So I want the left lane. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I'm with you 100%. That's so funny.
Just like that.
That's so funny. Oh, that's going to be good. Definitely let me know when they come with the concrete.
Yes.
So we can test Mamba out here, too.
So once the concrete's done one day, then we can have fun. You know what I mean? Yeah. This, I think it would rip up right now. I don't know what it would do, so we're just
take it step by step.
Hot. It hasn't been cool yet.
Yeah.
We need a good rain. Let it cure and we'll be good.
All right. Looking at trucks, because obviously we'll start going to events, you know, and you have a shop to run, so I can't always bother you. Yeah. What truck do you prefer? Like, I looked at the F350. That's like the big boy though.
Turbo diesel.
Yeah, the 6.7.
That's the Mac Daddy.
Yeah.
I do like the F350s. We can also get them running pretty good too.
Uh-oh. I just want to do I want to do a coal roll. That's it.
Yeah, I have F250 if I had this truck since 06. I mean,
let's look at it. That yellow banana cream pie.
Yeah, I don't use it as much for pulling anymore. It's just more like my galley, the interior in it.
Let's take a look.
The price of new trucks.
Yeah, they're not. They're expensive. Like, they're not cheap at all.
This is a 6.0. It's worked up. It's got a bigger turbo on it. It's a bulletproof programmer.
Look at Todd out here.
Still a nice truck. I mean,
beautiful.
And this is an 06. I mean, one of these
This is beautiful.
Not too expensive. I mean, it's, you're not gonna break the bank with these.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Yeah, I mean, the dealers are charging arms and legs, but like maybe an older truck is something to do.
I mean, it's, like you said, you're gonna use it as a pull truck.
Yeah, it's basically, yeah. I just want to get the turbo diesel sound and the cold rolls and all.
I like the 6.0.
Yeah. All right.
We've had good luck with them.
Okay. So this is why I work with, in my opinion, the best shop in the area in Casper's, because everything I think about, like, oh yeah, I already have we already have that. We've already done all that. So, you know, if I haven't said it enough, please check out Casper's. They have a YouTube channel, link in description, as well as check out their shop right here in Clementon. Right, and you're gonna see we're gonna have cars and coffee, all kind of good stuff. But you have a car, even if you need simple stuff too, right?
Yeah, no, we do everything with oil changes.
They do everything, not just custom.
Too. We don't just do all race cars.
So we just like.
Yeah, well, that's work every day.
Yeah.
No, there could be some good advantages.
All right. Well, listen. Next time you see, we're gonna see the white Mamba is gonna be finished, and the black Mamba is getting some finishing touches. So all right, guys. Mamba, College Mamba, has her new convertible top. Wow. Oh, looks good. Oh, looks really good. Fantastic. If you guys would have seen the before and after fix today, look at this. Eesh. It was time. Previous kid who owned it didn't really care about it, so this is all going to be taken care of. So, well, I'll show you a picture. This was we had to get rid of it because the old was all beat up and cut up, so now it's all nicely set up. Man, that looks so much better. This is going to be a whole new project. We're gonna actually like redo paint, body kit. Again, this is a sentimental build. It's a V6, but it is my college car. This is bringing back the way it should be. Wow, because this was leaking too. So we're gonna do the carpet and leather as well. But yeah, man, look at this, guys. That looks super good. All right. So also we'll do is we're gonna have a new leather and new carpet when that comes in. So for now it looks good. Looks great. Looks really good. Everything fit properly?
Not really.
Okay.
No, I mean there's a front retainer.
Okay.
Behind the header. I think they put it in the wrong position. I took the thing apart 3 times and clipped it in. It comes out every time you open and close the top. So yeah, they made it wrong.
Got it.
So nothing I can do about it.
Sure.
But other than that, it looks okay.
Yeah. All right.
A couple wrinkles. Most of them came out. If anything is left, they'll be out a few days in the sun. Covers. You get the seat covers?
There's a little bit of delay. I'm waiting for them to come in. So okay. As soon as they come in, I'll be right here.
All right.
So I don't know, the carpet's still coming?
Carpet's here. It's been here.
Carpet. You're waiting to do the carpet before or after the leather?
I'm going to pull the seats. I'm going to work on the seats. The boss is going to put the carpet in.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, we're just waiting for it, and we'll be back. As soon as it comes in, I'll bring it in. I'm just waiting on, waiting on it to come in here. Okay. So appreciate you.
All right.
We'll be back.
It's your other one, huh?
Yeah, that's the main car. But this is the sentimental build.
Right.
So I had this in college, found it on Facebook, trying to restore it. So
good for you.
Yeah. Right. Thanks, brother. Happy 4th. We'll be in touch. All right. So again, like you said, got to get the interior looking mint. But for now, convertible top is done. All right, guys. So we are just driving around today, having a good time. I'm very pleased with the new convertible top on the College Mamba. We're gonna get the interior finished up. I'm waiting. There's a little bit of delay with my guy getting the leather in, but once that comes in, good time. Whew. All right, y'all. Please like and subscribe. Check out StangMode.com. Code July 4th is free shipping on all the merchandise through the Independence Day weekend. Be safe. Take care. Have fun. It never ends. Peace.